Hi class, I've decided to make a little video to show you how I do all the reading and all the studying. I use OneNote. In OneNote you can create a notebook. This notebook has sections. Every section is a course that we are studying. I also use like Windows Shift S, then I cut and paste the activities into OneNote so that my reading and my activities are all in one place. On this side you can add a page. So these are all definitions that I've looked up. This is the library guide that you find. This is theme 1. This is all the reading that I've done for theme 1. I summarize all the articles the way we summarized Mind Tools from Jonathan with bullets, right? Then I have NMQ, the other course that's right next to it, with all the reading that I've done for all these sections, all the summaries. So when I have to do an assignment, all these courses are linked. Say for example, I want to look up teleology, because then if I type it in the search bar, it takes me to teleology, and if I keep my notes right, the heading of the article will be at the top. Then I can use that. So this puts all my information at my fingertips. If I want to read something about, I know I want to write something about karma, I can't remember in which article, then I go to karma, I find it's here. So all I have to do is scroll up, and there's my heading. I read it in those slides, philosophy of education, and I can quote that. Right, so this is for finding what I have read easily, because we know there's no way that I can remember the contents of all the articles that I've read. Then the other thing that I do that is quite helpful is in Word. I use this references, right? And I type in all my references. So when I start to write an article, and I know that I did an article on Ubuntu, then there is the article. So all I have to do, click on the article, copy it to the side, and then when I have to cite it, insert citation. If I made it active, let me just do it properly. I can always remove it again. Right, so I copy it to the side, and when I have to cite, I put there's the citing, and later when I have to do the reference here at bibliography, I will add references, because that's what I do, and there's all the references that I've made active on this side, and I don't have to type out my references, and it's all in the right form. I'm sure all of you are using references on this side, but by using these search functions, it just makes things a lot easier.